100 years ago, Jules Verne wrote a book about a voyage to the moon. His spaceship, Columbia, took off from Florida and landed in the Pacific Ocean after completing a trip to the moon. It's appropriate to us to share with you some of the reflections of the crew as the modern-day Columbia completes its rendezvous with the planet Earth in the same Pacific Ocean tomorrow. First, Mike Collins. Roger, this trip of ours to the moon may have looked to you simple or easy. I'd like to assure you that that has not been the case. The Saturn V rocket, which put us into orbit, is an incredibly complicated piece of machinery, every piece of which works flawlessly. This computer up above my head has a 38,000-word vocabulary, each word of which has been very carefully chosen to be of the utmost value to us, the crew. The switch
This engine fires for 12 minutes.
Just thinking, I think this is the first burn in the vicinity of the moon that's on this side.
Hey, sequence camera coming on.
First descent propulsion system burn on this side.
No, any burn of any magnitude at all. You'll see all of our corrected burns are on the back side of the moon.
Oh, yes, that's right. On Apollo 10, they came on up to apogee and then fired
Yes.
to go to the... That's right. And by that time, they're on the far side again.
Eagle Houston, if you'd like to try high gain, pitch 212, y'all 37, over.
We've got a minute and a half.
Roger, I think I've got you on high gain now. Roger. Coming up on 1 minute to ignition.
1 minute to ignition and 13 minutes to landing.
Get the angle, though? I let them in to use them before we are around. Roger, pitch 212, y'all plus 37.
Don't know that we could take the tension if they decide to go around again.
On defense.
40 seconds.
Number?
30 seconds.
Current altitude about 46,000 feet, continuing to descend.
I'm just wondering, as
15 seconds.
Newell Trask is sitting here with us, how the moon looks to him as we're coming over. Do you think that's the right place?
Yes, that looks like the right place.
We should have a countdown now.
Lights on. One, zero, hitting 10%.
Ignition 10%. 10% throttle, I suppose that is, Wally?
Yes, it'll be programmed up as as they get closer to the surface. I think you have that data there. Yes. That's interesting. Maybe we're having a little ionic disturbance from the engine at this point. No problem, just the fact that it might be trouble getting communications through the plume.
Well, it would mean then that we would not have communication with them in this critical 12 minutes.
We lost